Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Subaru Forester. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground. Always refer to your owner's manual for the exact jacking points and safety precautions specific to your model. Safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. For the front of your Forester, you have a couple of options. The primary central jacking point is typically found behind the engine splash guard, a sturdy cross member. If using a floor jack, position it carefully here. Alternatively, you can use the reinforced pinch welds located just behind the front wheels. Always ensure your jack saddle makes full, stable contact with the jacking point to prevent slippage. Moving to the rear, the most common central jacking point is the rear differential. Position your jack directly under its sturdy housing. Similar to the front, the reinforced pinch welds located just ahead of the rear wheels also serve as reliable jacking points. Remember, once you've lifted the vehicle to your desired height, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the designated support points for maximum safety. Never rely solely on your jack. Once your jack is correctly positioned, slowly and steadily raise the vehicle. Lift it just enough so the tire clears the ground by a few inches, allowing for easy removal. Now, carefully slide your jack stands into place under the vehicle's designated support points, ensuring they are stable and level. Finally, gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, confirming it is securely resting before you begin any work. Always double-check everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.